Learn English with Muallimi Academy.
Hello, I need some help, please.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
I've been having a headache for a few days and I'm not sure what medicine to take.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you taken any medication for your headache yet?
No, I haven't. I didn't want to take anything without advice.
That's wise. Can you describe your headache? Is it mild, moderate, or severe?
I'd say it's moderate. It's not too painful, but it's constant.
Do you have any allergies to medications?
Not that I know of.
In that case, a simple over-the-counter pain reliever like acetaminophen or ibuprofen should help. Do you have a preference?
What's the difference between them?
Acetaminophen is often better for reducing fever and relieving pain, but it doesn't reduce inflammation. Ibuprofen, on the other hand, reduces inflammation and is good for pain like headaches, toothaches, and arthritis.
I think I'll try acetaminophen.
All right. It's important to follow the dosage instructions on the label. Don't take more than recommended.
Got it. Can I take this with food?
Yes, you can. Sometimes taking it with food helps prevent stomach upsets.
How often should I take it?
The label will provide specific instructions, but it's usually every 4 to 6 hours. Don't exceed the maximum daily dose.
What happens if the headache doesn't go away?
If the headache persists for more than a few days or becomes severe, you should see a doctor.
Okay, thank you. Also, my wife asked me to pick up her prescription. It's under the name Jane Doe.
Let me check our system. Yes, we have a prescription ready for Jane Doe.
She said it's for high blood pressure.
Yes, that's correct. It's a medication called lisinopril. It's an ACE inhibitor and helps lower blood pressure.
Does it have any side effects?
Most common side effects are mild, like a dry cough or dizziness, especially when you first start taking it. But if she experiences any severe reactions like difficulty breathing or swelling, she should get medical help right away.
Noted. And how should she take it?
She should take it once a day, ideally at the same time each day. It can be taken with or without food.
Does it interact with other medications?
Yes, it can. Does she take any other medications?
She takes a multivitamin and sometimes ibuprofen for headaches.
Those should be fine, but it's always good to check before starting any new medication.
I'll let her know. Thank you.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Hi, I need some advice on some symptoms I'm experiencing.
Hello, I'd be happy to help. What symptoms are you having?
I've been feeling really congested and I have a runny nose. I think it might be allergies.
Allergies can be bothersome. Do you have any itching or watery eyes?
Yes, my eyes have been quite itchy.
It does sound like allergies. Have you tried any allergy medication before?
No, This is the first time it's been this bad.
There are several over-the-counter options for allergy relief like antihistamines. They can help with the runny nose, itching, and sneezing.
Are there different kinds of antihistamines?
Yes, there are. Some can make you drowsy like diphenhydramine, while others are non-drowsy like loratadine or cetirizine.
I prefer something non-drowsy. I have to work during the day.
Then I'd recommend cetirizine. It's effective and won't make you sleepy. Remember to read the label for the correct dosage.
How long does it take to work?
It usually starts working within an hour of taking it.
That's great. I also have a slight cough. Is there something I can take for that?
Yes, you can use a cough suppressant.
Dextromethorphan
Is a common one. It helps reduce the urge to cough.
Should I take it with the allergy medicine?
Yes, you can take them together. Just make sure not to take more than the recommended dose of each.
Can I get that here as well?
Absolutely. It's available over the counter.
Thank you. One more question. I'm also feeling a bit of a sore throat coming on. Anything I can do for that?
For a sore throat, throat lozenges or sprays can provide relief. Also, drinking warm liquids like tea with honey can be soothing.
I'll try those. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Remember, if your symptoms persist for more than a week or worsen, you should see a doctor. Allergies can sometimes lead to other issues like sinus infections if not treated properly.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Feel better soon.
Hello there. I'm not feeling well and need some guidance.
Good afternoon. What symptoms are you experiencing?
I've been having stomach pains and some nausea for the last couple of days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you had any changes in your diet or eaten anything unusual recently?
Not really, just my usual meals.
Okay. Have you taken any medication for these symptoms?
No, I wanted to get advice first.
That's a good approach. For stomach pain and nausea, there are a few over-the-counter options. Antacids can help relieve stomach pain, and medications like meclizine or dimenhydrinate can help with nausea.
How do antacids work?
Antacids neutralize stomach acid, which can help relieve pain or discomfort in your stomach.
And the nausea medications, are they safe to use?
Yes, they are generally safe for most people. However, they can cause drowsiness in some individuals. It's important to read the label and follow the dosage instructions.
I see. And should I take these with food or on an empty stomach?
Antacids work best when taken with food or soon after eating. As for the anti-nausea medication, you can take it with or without food. But if it causes stomach upsets, try taking it with a small amount of food.
All right. What if these symptoms continue?
If your symptoms persist for more than a few days or worsen, I recommend seeing a doctor. Persistent stomach pain and nausea could be signs of a more serious condition that needs medical attention.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Also, I have a bit of a heartburn sometimes. Anything I can take for that?
For occasional heartburn, over-the-counter options like famotidine or omeprazole can be effective. They reduce the amount of acid your stomach makes.
Is it okay to take those with the antacids and nausea medication?
Generally, yes, but try to space them out throughout the day, and always adhere to the recommended doses for each.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Remember, if you experience severe symptoms like sharp stomach pain, vomiting, or if you have any allergic reactions to the medications, seek medical attention immediately.
I will. Thanks again. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more similar content in the future. Thank you for your support.